Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see others reels on Instagram. So if someone has liked reels on Instagram, you can see that. So I'm heading over to Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon. And then head over to any reel you want. Suppose I am watching this reel. And if you just want to see who watched this reel, just head over to this number. Just we need the like icon. And here, as you can see, these people liked these reel. So as you can see, it's 9 million. It means it is a very popular reel. So if we go another one, you can see it's 11 million. It means it's more popular like that one too. So yeah, this is how you can see other slide reels on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.